Barkada Media Vens sa Spotify o YouTube imong Barkada Matagadlaw. Barkada Media Vens.
Kini ang bagong channel sa Barkada Media Vens 97.5 Barkada Media Vens, the real music and news authority.
Welcome to the Radio Music Pod with Vens. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are right now. Welcome to the show. My name is Kuya Juliven, and for the next hour, magkuyog ta mga kabarkada. It's Sunday, the 16th of August, and you're listening to your favorite hits exclusively here on my podcast show. So right here, makatanaw ta or makapaminaw mo sa ako ang mga playlist nga exclusively here. Wala mo yung mapaminaw nga bisan asa. Yeah, so enjoy lang ang ato ang Sunday, and hopefully you're doing great right now. I am Vens Tagupa, but you can call me Vens. Welcome to the Radio Music Pod with Vens. So if you're enjoying the music, please like, follow, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates and sa mga topic nga atong ihatag sa inyo right now or right there sa atong program. So stay tuned mga kabarkada.
The biggest hits, the best DJs. The biggest hits, the best DJs.
The Friday sun is going down, gold reflections all over this town. Put your sneakers on, step out the door. We don't care what happened before.
I can feel the bassline starting to rise.
See the static
Electricity in your eyes.
forget the noise, forget the daily grind. Leave the heavy thoughts far behind. We are moving to a neon heartbeat, chasing the light down the city street. Oh, we're never gonna stop, never looking back, hands in the air. Yeah, we track to track, live it up, let the good times roll. Tonight we surrender control.
Radio playing our favorite song. The whole crowd is singing along. All artificial filters, just pure skin. This is where the real stories begin.
I can feel the bassline starting to rise.
See the static electricity in your eyes.
Forget the noise, forget the daily grind. Leave the heavy thoughts far behind. We are moving to a neon heartbeat, chasing the light down the city street. Oh, we're never gonna stop, never looking back, hands in the air. Yeah, we track to track, live it up, let the good times roll. Tonight we surrender control. No machines can mimic this feeling.
Real emotions hidden the ceiling.
Louder now, let the speakers blow.
Ready, set, here we go.
Wow, pang Friday night ni kayo ang songs kanang human sa whole week nga kapoy kayo ka, stress kayo ka nya, gusto na lang mo gawas ug mag-enjoy na lang gid ka sa ibong live. Yeah, that's correct, and that's a positive way, and nice pud kaayo ang message sa kanta nga kay murgignan ta na usahay kinahanglan pud nato biyaan sa makadyot ang stress og enjoy sa moment. Kanang forget the daily grind. Kay dili man puta permi trabaho, problema, kinahanglan pud ta makalingaw-lingaw usahay. So that's correct. Pero kung ikaw, unsa man ang imong pamaagi para makawala sa stress after a long week, Let me know on the comment section. If you're listening right now, yeah, kinahanglan nga dito magpa-stress, kinahanglan nga always good vibes and positive days lang mga kabarkada, because life is short, and enjoy your day because time is past in no replay and no rewind. That's it.
Thank you for always tuning in. Here's another one of your favorite tunes. Stay stuck.
Midnight driving with the windows low, London static on the radio, cold rain washing all the stress away. We don't care about the words they say. Hey!
Sparks fly up when the beat drops in. Feel the adrenaline under your skin. No fake secrets, this is breathing real. Tell me honestly, is this how you feel?
The night is starting, the pressure is gone. We're building the fire to last till the dawn. Turn the volume right up, let it take the lead. Yeah, this is the remedy that we need.
We are running under flashing lights, on the rhythm of the city nights, louder than the speakers, higher than the sky. Real emotions that you cannot buy. Hear the crowd, hear the sound, let it overflow. Ready, set, here we go. Footsteps matching to the heavy bass. Nowhere else I'd rather be in this place. Pure human energy, no code, no frame. We are riding down a brand new lane. We are running under flashing lights, on the rhythm of the city nights, louder than the speakers, higher than the sky. Real emotions that you cannot buy. Hear the crowd, hear the sound, let it overflow. Ready, set, here we go. Let's feel it.
No default lines. Keep it real.
There you go. Welcome to the show, The Music Pod with Vens. And that song is brought to you by Podcast Studio, recording studio that fits in your pocket. And for speaking of podcast, kung horror movie fan ka, I'm sure familiar ka aning movie called Evil Dead franchise na available na sa Netflix in release 2026. Kani nga franchise, dili gid siya kanang ordinaryong horror nga puro lang jump scare, patay-patay unya, humanda yun. Known gid na siya sa iyang dark atmosphere, brutal nga violence, gore o kanang feeling nga murag bisan asa kamutan-aw na agi something nga dili maayo matabo. So as someone nga nag-review og horror movies, akong tan-awon ani dili lang kung makahadlok ba siya or dili. Para na ako importante pod ang overall experience. Kumusta ang story? Effective ba ang mga scenes? Hindot ba ang atmosphere? Sakto ba ang paggamit ng sound effect? Ang pinaka-importante, na ba siya sariling identity or kanang nag-rely ra siya sa pangalan nga Evil Dead? 1 seconds pa lang nag-click na ka sa maong movie tungod sa kanindot tungod sa kanindot sa maong thumbnail. But ang sulod di ay niini, murag makana ka, ay, boring man dahil siya. So personally, kung horror movie akong tanawon, ganahan ko nga dili dayon ipakita tanan kanang hinahinay lang ang build up kay usahay makahadlok pa ang imong imagination kaysa sa actual nga monster nga imong makita sa screen sa maong television, sa maong movie. Mao pa na akong gusto makita sa usa ka Evil Dead movie. Kanang feeling nga nagtan-aw ka, unya kalit lang ka makauna-huna nga wait lang, nga nagtilo man kaayo diri. So, kana bitong silence nga murag na something nga dili sakto and suddenly boom! Mao nang para nako ang atmosphere og timing sa horror scenes importante kaayo. Another thing nga akong tan-awon is this is the gore. No, kay let's be honest, part gid siya sa identity sa Evil Dead. Ang pagka-brutal ug pagka-gory. Kung nakay weak na stomach, talawan kayo ka, mahadlok kaayo ka. Kasi kinahanglan gud ka mag-andam. Pero paano na ako, dili enough nga daghan lang ka og dugo, daghan lang og dugo ang mga movie. Dapat nagihapan siya purpose sa scene. Kung naay brutal nga scene, dapat makahatag siya og impact sa mga tao nga nagtan-aw. Dili lang kay gibutang lang siya para makasulti ang audience nga karbiha gud ani nga movie. Hadlo kayo, scary. And of course, ato po tanaw ng story. Kay bisag horror movie ni siya, importante gihapon na makahatag siya og reason. Nga nahitabo ang tanan, kinsa ang characters, unsa ilang situation, nga na sila matrap sa problema and unsa ilang buhaton para makasurvive. Ay kung nindot kaayo ang gore o jump scare, pero weak ang story, eventually makawala gihapon og excitement. Pero kung balanced story, characters, atmospheres, and horrors, mas memorable good ang movie. Yeah, so another thing nga akong nabantayan is the sound design. Actually, underrated kaayo ni sa horror movies. Sometimes, dili nimo kinahanglan makita ang monsters. Paminaw lang nimo ang footsteps, reading, and creaking doors or kanang strange sound. Yeah, nagikan sa background. Kanya, ikaw mismo magsugod o imagine nga, unsa man to? And that's where horror become effective. So while watching Evil Dead Burn, akong reaction dili lang kay hadlok ba ni? Instead, akong pangutanon akong kaugalingon, nakahadlok ba gyud ko or nakahadlok ba gyud ang movie sa ako or na-expect ko nga mahadlok ko tungod kay Evil Dead ang title sa maong movie. Because that's the difference between a movie nga maayo ra tungod sa iyang franchise name. And for me, that's what's make reviewing horror movies fun. Dili lang kay mag-ingon ta og hindot or dili. We actually look at what it works or what it doesn't. So, while watching Evil Dead Burn, yeah, so, and, dili lang kay mag-ingon ta og nindot or dili nindot. We actually look at why it works or why it doesn't. So kung ikaw usa ra ka horror fan, especially kung ganahan ka og brutal, dark, and intense nga horror experience, Evil Dead Burn is definitely something and worth it na imong tan-awon right now. Pero before ta makatag og final verdict, gusto pod nako mabaw-an ang inyong opinion mga kabarkada. So let's get to read the comments on the Reddit. So yeah. Alright, so Reddit comments and let's read yung katong mga positive na comment. Said, I love Burn, and after watching it, maybe my new favorites in the series besides the original. So, wow, kanina comment kay interesting. Kay dili na giingon nga ganahan siya. Giingon gud niya nga after niya gi-rewatch ang movie, basin Burn na yung second favorite sa whole franchise. Meaning, nakahatag gid ang movie og something fresh. So, the number 2 and the negative comment is an mediocre or an mediocre movie with a blind final girl, if I'm correct. She said that yung main point, Girl Alan doesn't make a good horror movie. So, well, ato pong respetuhon ang inyong mga opinion about the movie. So, yeah, i-check inyong mga opinion kung unsa inyong opinion sa mga movie, and kung wa pa mo naka-check or wa pa mo nakatanaw sa maong movie nga Evil Dead Burn, i-check na karon. Karon dayon.
Alright, you ready?
Thank you, Joseph. That's beautiful.
No. That's Will's seat. Where's the wedding ring?
Alice, you were his wife. Why aren't you wearing it? I'm not sure.
Did you sell it?
No, of course not.
You get a good price.
I really think we should do this another time.
No, now's the best time.
Will's looking down on us from above.
From above. He's down below.
William, my sweet boy. I would give anything for us to be together again.
My grandfather believed the devil would return if anyone read from the Book of the Dead.
Cool down. The whole family can be reunited. Cheers to your perfect family.
The music just feels so good. You're on the number one.
Lumalalim na naman ang gabi. Bakit ba laging ikaw ang katabi? Sa isip kong gulong-gulo, naghahanap ng totoong kumpas mo. Hindi naman ako sanay sa ganito, ang mapag-iwanan sa gitna ng bagyo. Ngunit nang marinig ang iyong tinig, biglang kumalma itong aking daigdig. Ikaw ang huni ng hangin sa gabi, ang nagpapakalma sa bawat tabi. Sa mundong maingay at magulo, ang yakap mo ang tanging silong ko. Dahan-dahang lumilipas ang lungkot, mga takot sa puso ay nauubos. Sapat na sa akin ang iyong pag-ibig. Wala nang hilingin sa mundong madilim. Ikaw ang huni ng hangin sa gabi, ang nagpapakalma sa bawat tabi.
Maximum temperature right now may reach a maximum of around 31 degrees Celsius today. So stay hydrated, avoid too much heat, and keep safe wherever you go. And let's get update for the earthquake update right now. Magnitude 7.7 earthquake hits in Indonesia in the morning and August 15, 2026. Parts of a building in Maumere, Flores Island, Indonesia collapsed as people ran into the streets after a magnitude 7.7 earthquake and several aftershocks struck off the island caused on Saturday morning, August 15. So let's get update from the earthquake right here on our podcast. So, paminaw mo mga balita or mga news source sa inyo ang mga balay.
We're gonna mash it up, cut and paste. Don't let a good heartbreak go to waste. Turn up the bass, let the rhythm collide. Nothing to hide, we are changing the tide. We're gonna mash it up. You were the melody, I was the rhyme. We just ran out of time.
Now I'm rewriting the story tonight, switching the frequencies, turning the light. No more slow dancing alone in the dark. Watch me ignite the first spark.
We're gonna mash it up, cut and paste. Don't let a good heartbreak go to waste. Turn up the bass, let the rhythm collide. Nothing to hide, we are changing the tide. We're gonna mash it up.
The biggest hits. The best DJs.
Shoutout sa mga nang laag karong adlaw. Hopefully you enjoy. And sa mga nara sa balay karon, yeah, enjoy gapon and enjoy the listening to our podcast. And happy Sunday. It's August 16. And whatever asa mo karong panahon asa mo karong adlaw. Enjoy lang gid ta sa atong life and i-control nato ang atong stress level para makalingaw-lingaw gid ta og ayo mga kabarkada. Yeah. And para sa inyo makaapekto ba sa atong kaugalingon ang sigitag ka-stress mga kabarkada? Yeah. Dengan kita ng mga na ila-ila nga tao, especially ako na ma-stress magali ko mga kabarkada. And let me know sa comment section kung kamo o yun ba mo nga ang kanibang stress mo makaapekto or mo na lang gay makaguba sa inyong kaugalingon or sa inyo ang adlaw-adlaw nga panginabuhi mga kabarkada. And of course, siyempre dili ta mo sugot ana kinahanglan nga pirmitang pusgan mga kabarkada para sa atong pamilya and of course para sa ato ang kaugalingon.
Lipstick smudges on the plastic cup. 2 a.m. I'm checking up. You're still talking to the guys by the bar, throwing looks from a little too far. I don't mind the space in the room, but the air's getting heavy with perfume. You think you're reading my mind, keeping step just a half pace behind, but I'm moving ahead.
Barkada Media Vens sa Spotify o YouTube imong Barkada Matagadlaw. Barkada Media Vens.
Thank you for always tuning in. Here's another one of your favorite tunes. Stay stuck.
Midnight on the platform, checking my watch. 2 stops left and the signal drops. You said meet me where the railing's been. Now I'm guessing where the tracks will end. Cold air, leather jacket, heavy boots. Tread marks running through the old roots.
Building tension, drums getting faster.
I'm not looking for a lifetime fix, just a spark in the matrix. Say you there? Are you even there? Explosives upbeat, high energy. Catch me in the neon bleed, running on the friction that we both need for the static on the stereo wire. Well, this match is playing with the fire. Oh, give me that rush again. Yeah, give me that rush again.
Left turn past the corner bodega light. Some kids shouting in the middle of the night. My keys are rattling inside my palm. It's too quiet right before the storm. No deep thoughts, just the pavement beat. And the soul's burning on my feet.
Building up but in the inside. I'm not looking for a lifetime fix, just a spark in the matrix. Say you there? 'Cause I'm almost there. Full energy. Catch me in the neon bleed, running on the friction that we both need for the static on the stereo wire. Where this match is playing with the fire. Now give me that rush again. No more talking over the noise. No more blending with the background boys. It's just 1, 2, 3, and the bass kicks in. Oh, the bass kicks in. Catch me in the neon bleed, running on the friction that we both need for the static on the stereo wire. Where this match is playing with the fire. Now give me that rush again. Yeah, give me that rush again. Just a spark. Where the
And besides sa movie nga Evil Dirt Burn, napay daghang agi-release karon 2026 nga horror, mga makaingon ka ug makasinggit gid ka. And kani nga mga movie nindot ni siya tan-awon nga kanang ikaw ra isa or gabi na kay makasinggit gid ka wala sa oras. Pwede din i-check ang mga website sa maong mga movie. And of course ako pinakaganahan pod nga movie pero wa pa na ako natanaw, right? Yeah, wa pa na ako natanaw ang movie nakakatong The Last House. Nakita na ako siya sa clip pero wa pa na ako sa natanaw totally full. So kamo kung ganahan mo ato nga movie pwede ninyo i-check or ganahan gid mo nga mo tanaw gid mo karon. Pero para sa kwa akong may recommend gid sa inyo magtanaw mo gabi gid nga adlaw mga kabarkada kang magtanaw mo sa mga movie. Right? And thank you so much sa mga naminaw sa atong podcast with Vens. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and follow, and hit that bell button on YouTube. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Right here, right go. There you go. So, happy tatamahuman sa atong podcast. Thank you so much. Natapos gid ka.
Hoy!
Yeah.
Mata na diha! Ayaw sigig dukudulata! Hala! Tagan! Buntag nasad, siga na ang adlaw, kape init. Humot nga makasayaw, bisag kapoy ang gahapon. Okay, ralahin nasad nga adlaw, sugon na sa ta. Ayaw huna-huna ang mga problema, ilabay na sa dagat, iapil ang kaguol ni mo. Kayang kinabuhi usara, oh, oh, oh. Ayaw sige kagol, tanaw. Sige ambak, sayaw, ikiyay ang lawas. Ang grasya mo abot, dili ni mautas. Kuyog ta, abante lang pirme. Siga ang aalaw, hayagang ugmayas paborbe.
Nakita ni mo to, si nanay nagpahiyom, si tatay sad sa unahan na matigom. Bisag gamay ragsulod ang pitaka, basta kompleto ta, pamilya malipayon na.
Walay makapugong sa atong tingguha, basta maning kamot, hayahayang agi unya. Kayang kinabuhi usara, oh, oh, oh. Ayaw sige kabul, tanaw. Sige amba, sayaw, ikiyay ang lawas. Ang grasya mo abot, dili ni mautas. Kuyog ta, abante lang pirme. Siga ang adlaw, hayag ang ugmayas paborbe.
Kung matrope ka karon tindog dayon, ayaw padala sa sulog. Ikaw ang magbuot sa hantod, gunit lang sa paglaom ang pusa.
Taas kining kalisod, lumabay rani, mahurot ug mawagas. Drum roll, singgit o kusog. Country, let's go! Kayang kinabuhi usara, oh, oh, oh. Ayaw sige kabul, tanaw. Sige ambak, sayaw, ikiyay ang lawas. Ang grasya mo abot, dili ni mautas. Kuyog ta, abante lang pirme. Siga ang adlaw, hayagang ugmayas paborbe. Ha ha ha! Sigang adlaw, hayagang atong ugma. Ayaw sigig dupot diha ha. Abante lang, rahap na ka.
The biggest hits. The best DJ.
There you go. Welcome to the program. And yeah, I'm saying that goodbye. and for all the listeners right there, and bisan asa madapit nga lugar, asa mo karon nahimutang, thank you for listening our podcast, the new rebranding. And tuloy-tuloy na siya mga kabarkada hantod sa atong sunod nga panag-uban diri sa atong podcast. My name is Kuya Joliven. Welcome and thank you so much sa atong show, The Pod with Vens. I'm Vens Tagupa. Thank you so much. There you go. Bye-bye. Happy Sunday. Enjoy your weekend.
Just let the tape roll, track one and track two. Let's go. I've been driving down the highway just to clear my mind.
leaving every single piece of your ghost behind. But the radio keeps playing that exact same line, saying you were meant to be mine. And now I'm standing in the kitchen at 2:45, wondering if you ever catch yourself thinking of me. Cause you look so perfect in that oversized tee. Yeah, you used to be my whole reality show.
So why do I keep on running back to you when you're the one who changed the view? Yeah, you're my favorite song on the radio, the kind that makes me never wanna let you go.
Keep it on replay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The music just feels so good. You're on the number one.
The biggest hits. The best DJs.
Thank you for always tuning in. The best songs on the radio. This is my only favorite station.
Barkada Media Vens sa Spotify o YouTube mong Barkada Matagadlaw. Barkada Media Vens.